Hola, cuzzies. I didn't see you there. Hey, titiro, he rangi a tāhua. It's a beautiful day. Mauri ora. Kei a hau he whakaaro, I have an idea. Why don't I make a slippery slide? I could make the slipperiest slide of all slipperiest slides that slide slipperiest slide. That's a great idea. Hey, Dad, do you want to make the slipperiest slide?
Bit busy at the moment, son, but there's some stuff in the shed you can use.
Miharo, amazing. Hoa ke tātou. All right, now I need to find something slippery to slide on. Hey, maybe these mats will do good. I could join them together, but ooh, they don't look slippery enough. Hey, what's that? Ooh, maybe not. That's a little bit dirty. What's that? Ooh, I can see why Dad said kia tū pato. There's lots of things on the ground. Okay, what about this? Maybe if I laid it down a little... No, that's not gonna work either. I see the perfect thing! Come on, cuzzies! Oh! This is gonna work perfectly. It's nice and long, and it's gonna be really, really slippy. Now all I need is some hoopy, some soap. Let's do it! Here it is. This is the perfect slippy slide slope. Slippy slide soap, because it doesn't hurt your eyes. Come on! Ka pai. Karawe! I have all the parts I need to make the slipperiest slide. Now to set it up. Ko te mahi tuatahi, firstly, I'm going to roll out these big rolls of plastic. Let's do it! There, beautiful. Just like that. Yeah, next one. Karawe! This is the biggest, slipperiest slide I've ever made. Titiro, my cuzzies! Check it out! Tuarua, I need to add the slippery slide soap to the slippery slide. Let's do it. Okay. And bit over there, bit over there. Keep going. Oh, it's like a snake. Almost done and perfect. Oh, this is going to be awesome. Now, to add the last ingredient, the OG, the original, te wai. Enough. Ko we momo te waipas. Oh, perfect. Check it out. The most slipperiest slide ever. Now all I need to do is tini kākahu.
Buzz the Cuz steps up to the plate, ready to slide. This could be a new world record. We might just be witnessing greatness.
What? That wasn't very good at all. I'm gonna try again. Maybe I need to do a bigger run-up. Come on, cuzzies. Ha, ha. was amazing! Let's do that again!
I call this one the slippery snake. The seagull. The honu turtle. The mana wave. The binoculars.
The zombie.
The invisible man.
Last but not least, the dad.
I'll show you the dad.
I knew he wasn't too busy to do a slippery slide. Move out of the way, Dad. This next one's the pterodactyl.